Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create a subtask template in Clickup. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your spaces and go to one of your lists. Now I have a one list category over here and I'm gonna provide a task. Let's say I'm gonna go for task 1. So from here we have a task. In order for you to add a subtask, you can just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here, the plus icon. And now you will have add subtask, and from here, let's say we're gonna name this sub 1. Now just simply select the subtask, and from here you will have status, and from here you can select it into multiple status. And if you want to add more statuses, you can just simply click edit status and you can add it over here. Now in order for you to save a subtask template, you could just simply go ahead and go to the subtask and just simply click on this three dots icon over here, and you will have here templates. Click on this and you should be able to see here save as template, and click on it and just simply provide a template name. I'm gonna go for temp1, and you can add a description or tags, and you can share it with a specific persons or open for public, and you can just simply click on save template over here, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.